Welcome to my channel, and here we are going to be working on orthographic projection. And don't forget that this channel is meant for basic technology to teach JSS 1 to JSS 3 students about basic technology, and also we share very important information here on this channel. And as I said, we are going to look at the construction of orthographic views of an object. As you can see here, let's see how it goes. This is the object that we want to produce its orthographic views, and I have a video here that I've prepared to show you how we can produce the orthographic views of this object in first angle projection. Let's see the video. All right, as you can see, we are going to draw the orthographic views of this object in first angle projection. And the front elevation is in the direction of arrow A, as you can see on the screen. So which means that for the front elevation, we have to produce this shape that we see here. So the length from here to here is 80 millimeters, that is 8 centimeters. And the length from here to here is 40 millimeters, which is 4 centimeters. Also, distance from here to here is 15 millimeters, which is 1.5 centimeters. Also, distance from here to here is 50 millimeters, which is 5 centimeters. Now, let's produce the front elevation and see how I'm going to construct it. Let's go. Now, what we need to do first, as we did for the previous one that we worked together, is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line like this. Then we are going to take our set square, and then we have to draw a vertical line like this. Then, since we are drawing this object in first angle projection, so we need to take a measurement of 80 millimeters from this point. So we take 80 millimeters. Don't forget that we have to produce front elevation up here. Okay, so we take a measurement of 80 millimeters. This is 80 millimeters or 8 centimeters. Then we draw a vertical line at this point. Okay, draw a vertical line at this point. So this 80 millimeter distance that you took is for this line that you see on the shape of the front elevation, looking at this object in this direction. Then we are going to take 40 millimeters from here to here. I will take 50 millimeters from here to here. So coming here, we are taking 40 millimeters from here to up here, and 50 millimeters from here up here. So 40 millimeters is also the same as 4 centimeters. So we take from here. So this is 40 millimeters or 4 centimeters. Then we come to this end here. We take 50 millimeters or 1.5 centimeters. So this is it. So just mark it there. Then from this point, we are to draw a horizontal line from this point towards the right side like this. Then we come up here also. We draw a horizontal line. That is where we have 40 millimeters. So we draw horizontal line towards the right side. Then next that we are left with is to get this line. And for us to get this line, we have to take a measurement of 50 millimeters from here to here. Okay, so we are taking it from this point to this side here. So 50 millimeters is also the same as 5 centimeters. So this is it. So 50 millimeters. So we have this distance. Yeah. So now, so we are joining this point and this point together, and it goes like this. All right, so this has given us the front elevation. So let's bring out the shape so that we can see it clearly. So we make this line a thick line, okay? Then we also make this line a thick line, okay? And then we make this line a thick line, okay? Then we make this line a thick line, and also make this line a thick line. So this gives us the front elevation. So here we have front elevation. So this is F. So front elevation. All right, so now let's go and produce the shape of the top view or the plan. So let's look at it, the object itself. So for the top view, we are looking at the object down like this. So we see this rectangle and also we see this rectangle. So these two rectangles give us the top view or the plan of this object. So let's see how that is going to be done. So what we need to do first. So from this point here, from this point that we have here, I should draw a vertical line down here. So I need to do that now. Also, I will extend this line a bit and also extend this a little bit. Now, so we need to separate the float elevation from the plan or from the top view. So that means we have to create a little distance or a little space in between the two views. So I'll just come up like this a little bit, move a little bit away from the front elevation and draw horizontal line, any distance that you like, any distance that you like. So just make sure you separate them so that you will not will be able to see them separately. So that's the purpose of doing that. Okay. So I will also extend this horizontal line a bit from something like this. All right. So now the distance that we have from here to here is the distance from here to here and also from here to here on the top view. So we are not taking the length again. Okay. So what we need to take now for the top view is to take the width. That is distance from here to here is 40 millimeters. Okay. So that's what we just need to take now. So I'll take my ruler, then take a measurement of 40 millimeters down or 4 centimeters down. This is 40 millimeters. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line. So I will draw horizontal line like this to this side or to the right side. So as we have it here. So now, so this what we have here now. So what we have here now, so this rectangle that we have here is this rectangle. And this rectangle that we have here is this rectangle. So we have drawn the top view, so or the plan. So let's bring out the shape so that we can see it clearly. So we make this line a thick line. So we also make this line thick line. Then we make this line thick line. All right. So then we also make this line a thick line. Then make this line also a thick line. All right. So this is the top view. So right top view. So this is T. So we have so top view or plan. Okay. So now let's go and draw the end elevation. So for the end elevation, we are going to see this rectangle and we are going to see this rectangle. So this rectangle here, placed on this rectangle as we are looking at it in this direction. So what we need to do now to get the end elevation, we take our 45 degrees square and we're also making use of this point on the front elevation. So we take our square, 45 degrees square, and we set it on our T-square like this. So bringing it to this point on the front elevation, and we draw a line. So we draw this line. So this line is at angle 45 degrees to this horizontal line, and also at 45 degrees to this vertical line, if you remember what we did in the previous one. So now, what we need to do now to get the end elevation is to take our set square. So wherever this line meets the horizontal line that we drew out of the top view or plan, so we take note of those points. That is this point here and also this point. So we are going to draw vertical line on each of these points up here. So to do that, so our set square, so we draw a vertical line up here, and then from this point, we also draw a vertical line. Okay, so then, so looking at what we have here, look at this rectangle. This rectangle is for this rectangle here. This rectangle here, and this rectangle is for this rectangle. This rectangle here is for this rectangle. So that is what we have. So let's bring out the end elevation so that we can see it clearly. So we make this line a thick line from here to here. And we also make this line a thick line from here to here. Then we make this line a thick line from here to here. Also, so this line, so make it a thick line down here. Then coming here, so we also make this line, so a thick line from here to here. So this gives us the end elevation. So I'll just write E. So end elevation. So this is the orthographic views, or these are the orthographic views of this object, first and the objections. As simple as I've done it here, try it and get it done. Thank you.
All right, so that is the orthographic views, as I said. Please subscribe to this channel and share our videos with your friends who are also in your class. Thank you, and God bless you.